this is my inventory management system. I set up this using Google Sheets. This is the master list here for the master page, which goes through the entire list of inventory. And this page here is searchable by going over here, and then you just type in the prefix of whatever it is you want, and then it'll bring up everything that uses that prefix, so it makes it easier to search for something in particular. Then I have each one of these tabs or categories, which divides it by category, by item. So you got desks here, for example. This was designed for a furniture store. Tables here, and chairs here. And I also have it designated that the red is completely out of stock. The yellow needs to be reordered, or it needs attention for one reason or the other. And so that gives you an idea of what to reorder and how soon you need to reorder things. And so that's the chairs, this is the drawers, this is the cabinets, and then I have miscellaneous parts and frames, frame tiles, floor tiles. This place also did cubicles and carpet and floor coverings. So it covered a large range of stuff. I had a lot of stuff to do inventory on, and I counted everything in the entire warehouse and the office, and labeled everything, and uploaded all the inventory into the system. And this system is usable anywhere in the world. You can use it on your cell phone as long as you have Google Drive on your cell phone, and you can edit each one of these cells with your cell phone. So no matter where you are in the world, if you have an update, you can update it using your cell phone, or you can use any computer in the world as long as you have a Google account. You can log into the Google account and edit any cell that's in this system. And I also had a way that you can hook this into a scanning setup so that you can scan QR codes with the cell phone, but that uses two totally different sheets. And you would scan into the check-in and check-out sheets, and then later you can hook a code to input the data into the main sheet. But you have to go step by step. You have to use a check-in sheet, check-out sheet, and then import the data. But yeah, this is the main system, and this system right here, this one system that I'm using here, is actually manually done. They didn't like the idea of using QR codes because they thought it was too much of a problem. So this was all done manually. But yeah, this is what I did for this particular company.